What you forget to do eating?
Yeah, coughing your own.
Right. And if you sick, you just cough your stuff all over the table. When you sneeze or cough, it stays in the air. It goes a distance of 7 feet, and it stays on the top of the surface for 7 minutes, all right? Oh, really? Really?
Hey,
really, Emmett? That's not nice.
That's not funny.
Emmett is coughing in the same direction. Do you really think I'm about to eat that food now? Absolutely not. Not today or tomorrow. All right, well, it was tasty.
Yeah.
Probably won't eat no more of it, though,
I
Michael.
know, you're used to that.
Just tell you the truth. I'm not even putting a leaf Brussels sprout in my mouth. I'm not putting a piece of lettuce. I'm not putting a piece of cheese. I'm not even putting a piece of raisin from the bread in my mouth.